Extra savings, like an expert, you're in the right place. Today I'll share the latest NordVPN promo codes and discounts for 2025 so you can lock in the lowest price possible. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that saves you the most. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPNs in the world, with thousands of servers, blazing fast speeds, threat protection, and the ability to unblock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or securing your data on public Wi-Fi, NordVPN keeps you safe. Here are the extra saving expert codes you can try in 2025. Expert 83, save up to 83% off long-term plans. Nord for free, get 4 months free with 2-year subscriptions. Save 20, flat 20% off for new users. Save 15, extra 15% off annual plans. Bundle 30, 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, pick your NordVPN plan, apply one of these promo codes at checkout, and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum discount, try another. One of these expert savings codes will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. NordVPN promo codes like this bring extra savings that won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start protecting your online privacy today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.